Hi, this is Kurt down at Carns Equipment with a 2023 Can-Am Defender XT HD10. This was a demo unit, so it is considered brand new, so we'll still have all the warranty that comes with it and everything. So, but in order, you know, one of the things that Can-Am asks for is accessories on units. So this one is really nicely accessorized. Doesn't have a ton of miles on there, but like I said, it was demoed. As you can see, it's not, you'll see as we walk around, it's not been used and abused. It was just rode a little bit. But it comes in their camo color, so nice color, and that is something that in the mossy oak it won't scratch because of how it's put on there. But we, you know, start up front, you got the full bumper, you've got the winch already on it. Of course, you got the bigger rims and tires, LED lights, tip out glass windshield, so if you need a little bit of air on a day like today, you can get the air. Obviously, if it cools down, you can close it. Windshield wiper, nice big bright light bar, dual stack light bar, canvas doors. What's nice about these is you can see that if you just lift them off, they come off. Now, also, you can also zip this down if you need the air to come through as well. You got the rock sliders on here. It does have heat in here, so it's already enclosed with heat. You got stereo unit up on top, rear view mirror, seating for 3, so Can-Am's always got nice comfortable seats. Tip bed, which most utilities have that. You do have the rear window is glass, and it does have the sliders in there, so if you need to reach in from the front and reach into the bed, you can. You also have the 2 nice bright lights here. Do have 2-inch receiver, easy to use tailgate to get in and out and everything, but super nice machine. For those of you looking for a cab machine, this is a great unit for you. Heavily discounted, so if you want to see something like this, come down to Carns Equipment in Clearfield. You can also call us at 814-765-5684, and you can find it on our website at carnsequipment.com.